i35equipment.com and COWC Auto Sales. This is the custom home built 12-foot trailer. This trailer was built by one of our customers for a very specific purpose. He designed it for fire suppression in case he ever had a fire out at the farm. It does have a huge water tank, a gas onboard generator, pump, and a fire hose with fire nozzle. The generator does work great, as you can see in our other video. However, today we just got plugged into the Tesla up here, so it's already pumping and going. And we're just gonna show you another use for it, which is watering the sod. Show you that it works real good. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Have a great day. You can see all the specs and photos on our website, i35equipment.com.